Amazing news just came in. ChatGPT have released a new model, GPT-5.4, and this model is spectacular because it actually excels more in web search, knowledge work, and also computer use. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be testing it out for you guys. So to begin with, I'd actually prompted it to make me a web page that had displayed rocket launches and also the rockets of SpaceX using the free SpaceX API, and these are the results right here. This is the web page we have, and the theme was also described in the message. This is one of the launches here. This is a filter right here where we can actually filter out the launches, and we can actually see the details of the launch, which is right here. And if you want, you can also see pictures of the mission itself. So these are the images we have right here of the specific rocket which was used, which, if I'm not mistaken, is actually the Falcon 9. This API has also rocket information, so you could also look at the rockets right here, and the information is actually vast. So when you actually select the specific rocket, you can actually see a more detailed model which shows the information right here. Now, another task that I'd actually provided it was to create me graphs, charts, and also a map using information on electrical vehicles in the US, and it made it actually amazing. It actually used Streamlit, which I had also asked, and it's right here. So you can actually look at the makes and the vehicles which were the most. For instance, Tesla was number one. The data is, it's looking at the state of Washington specifically. So you could also see the charts right here, and also there is a filter which you could actually use. One other thing is looking here at the distribution of these electrical vehicles. The majority of them are actually battery electrical vehicles. There's also a map right here which is really amazing. We can actually see the battery electric vehicles and also the plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and you can see the way that they are distributed across the state of Washington. Besides that, we can also look at the top models which are there, which is a Tesla is actually number one in the whole of the state, and I would also assume in the US. Well, that actually summed it up, and GPT 5.4 actually performed really well in the tasks that it was given. Comment GPT if you want a more detailed tutorial on how the projects were actually built.